According to a survey conducted by the Center of Economics and Social Research, more than 1/3 of Americans, 33%, consider going to any public space to be one of the riskiest behaviors to take part in. Reassure your visitors that their safety is in good hands with our Workspace Hygiene Kit. The kit includes TempCheck, a temperature check kiosk that provides simple screening by taking temperatures, including while wearing a mask. Built with the future in mind, capable of being repurposed for information stations, directories, and much more. TempCheck is a mobile-friendly solution, allowing visitors or staff to use their mobile phones in order to answer safety questionnaires and receive campus rules and wayfinding. Once questionnaires have been answered, users can show their mobile devices to receptionists for access to the facility. When you buy TempCheck, we will include CleanPen for free. CleanPen eliminates bacteria and viruses from the surface of utensils and styluses, giving visitors and staff peace of mind when signing in or writing important requested information. And last but not least, Clean UV. Clean UV destroys 99.9% of germs by simply placing an item inside, ideal for phones, car keys, wallets, and more. Start making your workspace safe. To find out more information about the Workspace Hygiene Kit, scan the QR code with your phone or call us at 305-361-0623. To Signage, making technology work for you.